To turn off S Pen pop-up or air command menu when you are removing your S Pen from your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set the when S Pen is removed option to do nothing. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap S Pen. Next, tap when S Pen is removed and then select do nothing. To see the result, remove your S Pen from your phone. You can see that the air command menu is no longer open when you remove your S Pen. With the setting, if you need to open the air command menu, there are two ways that you can use. First, when show air command icon option is on, you can open the air command by tapping the air command icon. Second, when the open air command with pen button option is on, you can open the air command menu by hovering your S Pen over the screen and press the pen button on its side like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.